First of all, we will read ta'uz. Ta'uz means أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Okay, and look at my arrow sign. This is alif, and fatah sign is top of the alif. Fatah and zabar both are same name. When fatah sign is top of the alif, so alif sound will be converted in English alphabet letter a sound, and ain sound a. When Zamma sign is top of the ain, so that is called u. When pesh sign is top of the ain, so that is called u. This one dal, pronounce it very softly. Okay, your tip of the tongue in the mid of upper teeth and lower teeth. So now repeat it after me. A'udhu, a'udhu, a'udhu. Repeat it after me, please. A'udhu. Very good. And this one ba pronounced from the wet part of both lips, and kasra sign, zer sign is below of the ba, so that is called billahi, billahi. So this one lam will not be bold. Why this one lam will not be bold? Because standing fatah sign is top of the lam, but kasra sign is below of the ba. So look at the previous letter, because previous letter have a kasra sign, so this one lam will not be bold, so that is called billahi, billahi. Now repeat it after me. Very good. And minash, minash shin like a whistle sound, and meem pronounced from the dry part of both lips like this. Minash, minash shaytanir rajim. And this one qa pronounced from the your tip of the tongue, touch your upper teeth of the roots like this. Qa, minash shaytan. Now repeat it after me. Minash shaytan, minash shaytan. Please repeat it after me. Minash shay. Very good. Nirrajim, nirrajim. This one ra will be bold. Yeah, very nice. And this one ra always pronounced with a thicker voice. Why this one ra always pronounced with the thicker voice? Because fatah sign, zabar sign is top of the ra. When fatah sign and zabar sign is top of the ra, so this one ra will be bold, and this one ra always pronounced with a thicker voice. Understand? Now repeat it after me. A'udhu, a'udhu billahi minash shaytanir